Hey, it's Kate with WTI. We live in an area where we get hurricanes and severe weather pretty frequently. And when that happens, we often lose our Wi Fi. When we lose our Wi Fi, we have no cell phone signal where we live. So we got this little guy right up here, which is by Phonetone. It is the Verizon and AT&T cell signal booster. And I have to tell you, it really adds peace of mind. So when we would lose internet, literally there was not a spot in this house where I could find enough signal to send a message, which we work from home. So of course for work, that's stressful. You can't even send a message to let your boss know that you're offline, but also especially trying to communicate with family who might be worried about you if you have severe weather. It's very stressful. So having this really gives me peace of mind. We were a little worried about the setup, but I have to tell you that my husband was able, honestly, very little help for me, to be able to set it up in an afternoon. It just took a couple of hours. We were able to set it up outside on our roof, and then we're able to tuck the wires up so it's very discreet. And then we actually fed the wire through the window, and then we even were able to hide it behind this piece of art. And so it does not stick out at all. I think it blends in really nice. And it definitely has helped tremendously. I'll show you an example of me sending off some test text messages, as well as even sending kind of a large video, which trying to send multimedia usually not even kind of possible when I couldn't even send a text message. So I am really thankful that this has boosted our cell signal so that we're able to send a message. If we lose internet, I know that we're going to at least be able to communicate with people and let them know that we're okay, let them know what the situation is. So if you're looking for a cell phone boost for Verizon or AT&T, I recommend checking this one out by Phonetone, but that's just my point of view.